Welcome to Scaminator, an AI-powered tool designed to protect you while shopping online. In this demo, we'll walk you through how Scaminator analyzes product pages and detects potential fraud, both on Trendyol and external websites. The system works in two ways, through a user-friendly web interface and a seamless Chrome extension. Let's start with the web interface. Users simply paste a product URL, either from Trendyol or any other e-commerce site. When a Trendyol link is detected, Scaminator performs a full analysis using Gemini AI agents. It reviews the product description, analyzes real user comments, and evaluates the seller's profile. Each agent gives detailed feedback, and a final judgment is presented clearly, telling the user whether the product seems safe, suspicious, or likely a scam. Now, for non-Trendyol sites, the system adapts. It performs a price comparison through a acces and evaluates public sentiment from acces using advanced comment analysis. Based on this multi-agent evaluation, Scaminator offers a verdict and explains its reasoning, ensuring transparency and trust. The same intelligence is also available through the Chrome extension. Just click the icon while browsing any product page, and Scaminator instantly evaluates the link without opening a new tab. Results are shown in a simple pop-up, with insights drawn from both pricing and comment analysis, all backed by Gemini agents. Whether you're a casual buyer or a smart shopper, Scaminator gives you the tools to stay safe, informed, and confident. Thanks for watching. Visit our GitHub to explore the code and try Scaminator yourself. And finally, this is where Scaminator differs from ChatGPT. When asked about a link, whether Trendyol or external, GPT only analyzes the URL provided, but hallucinates about user comments and reviews. It says scam to a product, when it is clearly not the case. GPT also provides the links of the reviews that do not exist, proving that it hallucinates. Our system, Scaminator, is well-grounded and does not hallucinate. It reviews the seller, the product, public comments, and compares prices using structured outputs and agents to provide a trustworthy review about the URL provided by the user.